the sky is fucking blue. And then it turned off. Nope. Yo!
I got that on camera. I got that on camera. I got that on camera.
Which thing was? Feds just went that way.
The what?
Feds. No lights.
What the fuck? Bitch, what? Hey, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Everybody knows something's up. Everybody knows. That is not normal. Everyone is looking up, wondering why the sky is split. Look. The sky is broken. And everybody knows something's fishy, don't you? It's fishy, ain't it?
You know, that's the first time I ever seen this.
That's right.
TikTok creator Bree caught one of the most apparent glitches in the Matrix chicken stall I've ever seen. You'll have to watch this all the way through, and she is tagged below.
Hello, chickies. Hi, babies. Oh, goodness. Where y'all going? Where are you going? You ready for some grubs? Let's go. It's grub time. What the fool? Why are they all not moving? What? What is happening right now? Babies? Guys! What is happening right now? Chickies! Guys! Oh my god! What is... Chickens! Oh my god. I'm so glad I decided to record this. Chickens! Why are y'all not... What is happening right now? Chickens! Chickens! Chickies! Why are y'all not moving? Hello? Oh? I cannot make this up. This one literally has not stopped moving. Or has not moved at all. The foot is in the same place. Hello? Oh my god. Chickens! Chickens! Did I do something? Nick! What the?
As if he's going out to his fucking car right now. Oh.